In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a custom domain to your Vercel project. First, log into your Vercel dashboard and open the project you want to connect the domain to. Once you're inside the project, head over to the Settings tab. From there, scroll down to the Domains section. This is where all your domain management happens. Click on the Add button and type in the domain name you want to connect. Make sure it's a domain that you actually own and have access to manage. After entering it, click Add Domain. Next, you'll need to verify your domain. Depending on your domain registrar, Vercel will give you DNS records, usually a CNAME or A record, that you need to add in your domain's DNS settings. Once you've added the records, it may take a few minutes for the changes to propagate. After verification, your domain will be connected to your Vercel project, and you can start using it to serve your website. One nice thing is that Vercel automatically provisions SSL for your domain, so your site will be secure right away. And that's how you add a domain in Vercel. Share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more great tutorials.